Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the PDF in Bluebeam, then immediately choose the Snapshot tool so you can capture exactly what matters. Once selected, zoom into the area you want, because capturing at the correct zoom preserves legible detail. Make sure the status bar shows scale if you need measured snaps. If you plan to paste into other apps, set the clipboard format. You'll save time later by getting scale and resolution right from the first snapshot. You click and drag to define the rectangle. This is the core action, so be deliberate. Once done, use Shift to constrain proportions or Control to create a new selection quickly. This is useful when comparing areas. Right-click the selection to choose Copy options. Copy as image, copy with annotations, or copy with scale. Make sure to use copy with scale when dimensions matter. After copying, you can paste into Word, Excel, or a markup layer inside Bluebeam. You paste the snapshot into your target document and immediately check scale and clarity, because that confirms success. If needed, return to Bluebeam and use image properties to crop, rotate, or adjust resolution before recapturing. Once satisfied, flatten or embed the image to prevent accidental edits. If the image looks blurry, recapture at a higher zoom level or confirm clipboard DPI settings. These steps fix most quality problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.